Hello everyone, it's Hanny. I'm going to make a masterboard. That's the February week 3 prompt of the Mixed Media Emporium Facebook group with Nina, Raibina and Kylie Koo. And like I said, the prompt is create a collage masterboard or background. Week 1 of February was paint a masterboard or background, and the second week was make something with it, with that painted background or masterboard, and now it's a collage background or masterboard. I'm going to use very vintage and painted papers in neutral colors, and I have a lot of ledger papers over here, and I have a lot of scraps, so that's going to be not a big problem. I have a magazine, and I have another magazine in which I make collages, but I'm going to make one over here. There's a little hole in it. I cut something out, I guess. Here's a little hole. But well, I just glue over it. I don't care. So I'm going to make a collage on this piece of paper. I'm not sure if everything is in frame. No, it isn't. Well, we'll see. Like I said, I'm going to use neutral papers. I have a lot of scraps, I can use that. Paper's enough. And why I'm doing it very neutral, so, well, it's a masterboard. And when I'm making things with it, I can add a color, which I want at that moment. So it will be a basic collage. I'll speed the video up, and well, I hope you enjoy watching. this is a very basic masterboard. Just strips of paper, nothing more. Maybe I could do some squares, but I think I leave it this way. And when I'm going to use it, I think I'm going to put some things on it. I'm just looking for something that I could do or glue on it. I have to, here I have some pictures. Well, this one, maybe this one. I'm not gluing it on, but I just want a bit of rough edge without tearing his head off. Well, I could glue that on later if I want to. I'm not going to do that. I just keep it plain. And well, I know it's a bit boring because there's not much happening on this paper, but I like it this way. And well, this is a way too of making a masterboard and just do things with it later. So well, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.